Good morning. We just made a quick stop in Torrey, Utah, and now we're headed into Capitol Reef National Park. I hadn't planned on making a stop here this trip, but we drove through. Just a FYI, full disclosure, we've already driven through, and the fall color is absolutely going off in there. So I thought I had to stop. I had to stay here. I had to hike here. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start today with a hike that I've never done before. So that's going to be exciting. And then I'll be camping in the park tonight, which will be great. Make some dinner. It's going to be a great time.
Capitol Reef is one of Utah's Big Five national parks centered on the Water Pocket Fold, a geological wrinkle in the Earth's crust. The park offers scenic drives, hiking trails, and historic sites within 3 districts: Fruita, Cathedral Valley, and the Water Pocket District.
I told you the fall color was going off. Now we're getting ready to hike to the Hickman Bridge, and that's a hike I've never done here before.
Yeah, I guess I've never probably done it either because I've always gone to the Navajo Knobs.
Good morning, Joseph.
Good morning.
How's it going?
It's going.
Yeah?
It's going up to Hickman Bridge.
Yeah, ready to do this hike? Looks pretty.
Born ready.
What do you think about all this fall color here?
It's awesome. It's beautiful. It's very lively colors. Lots of yellow.
Yeah, gorgeous. Gorgeous time to be here.
Beautiful light this time of year as well.
Yeah.
Not as many people.
Yep.
It's awesome.
Yep, absolutely. The last several days have been really chilly, very cold overnight and in the mornings, and today it's only about probably 50 degrees right now, but it definitely feels warm when you're climbing and exposed to the sun. Check this out. These are, I don't know if they're petroglyphs or pictographs, but they're
Pictographs.
pictographs. Petroglyphs, I think, are carved in.
Pictographs are painted onto the
Yeah.
wall.
Handprints from who knows when, a long time ago. Pretty cool.
Pretty impressive bridge. I can't believe I've never been here before. I was telling Joe the other day of all the ones that you can easily access from the road, there are so many that aren't accessible or only by foot. There's so many that people probably never see, bridges and arches in Utah. It's pretty awesome. Utah is beautiful during all seasons of the year, but there's something so special about the fall that gives it that glow up, if you will. The vibrant yellows against the red rock with the backdrop of the deep blue sky, it is absolutely mesmerizing. This is camp. Just arrived here at camp and we've got this little deer family. The campground is surrounded by fruit orchards, which the fruit is no doubt used for the awesome pies they sell at the Gifford House in the park. All right, we've checked out camp and set everything up, which is basically pulling out a couple of chairs. There's not a whole lot to do. And we're getting ready to set out on another hike. We're gonna drive down a very beautiful scenic road to another trailhead for the Capitol Gorge. A quick word from Future Cat about the sponsor of today's video, RV Mattress. Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot tell you how excited I am to be back on my RV Mattress by Brooklyn Bedding. I'm about ready to do a little work before going to sleep tonight, and I cannot tell you after traveling around in the truck how excited I am to get back onto the most comfortable bed I've ever owned, my RV Mattress by Brooklyn Bedding. RVmattress.com is a Brooklyn Bedding brand known for top-of-the-line quality and comfort. Plus, if you're in the U.S., they ship conveniently to you for free from their Arizona factory. They offer different firmness options, heights and dimensions, even RV-specific and non-traditional sizes to fit right into your lifestyle. When I was looking for a new mattress, about 3 years ago, I needed something that was comfortable, that could help me to get a good night's sleep. I have a very active lifestyle, but I also needed something that would fit into this 21-foot travel trailer. So I picked the Signature Hybrid in the medium firmness at the short queen size, and it's the best decision I have ever made, or definitely one of the best decisions I've ever made. With your RV Mattress by Brooklyn Bedding Mattress, you get a 120-night sleep trial along with a limited lifetime warranty, so you can rest easy. It's so comfortable on my mattress. I do so much more than sleep. I stream movies, I work, I read. I just chill on this mattress because it's the most comfortable place in my trailer. One thing that I know is I'll definitely be falling asleep fast on my RV mattress. It's that comfortable. I love my RV Mattress by Brooklyn Bedding, and I think you would too. If you're looking for a new bed, visit rvmattress.com. You can click the link below or scan the QR code here, or visit rvmattress.com/Catherine to get 30% off your order with code Catherine. You can help support the channel by telling them that I sent you in the post-purchase survey. Thank you once again to RV Mattress for sponsoring this video. Now back to the show. The scenic drive in the park is absolutely mind-blowingly beautiful. If you've never done it, I highly recommend it. We've made it to the Capitol Gorge Trail, and I will just say that the drive in here was really cool. You felt like you were driving through slot canyons, and if for any reason you have mobility issues and can't hike the trail, I would recommend the drive out here. It's really cool. Now we're hitting the trail. We expect to see some petroglyphs, some pioneer writings, it says. So pioneer registers. I think that's when the old pioneers came through here and actually wrote on the walls here. So we'll see what we see, but it's looking really cool so far. I definitely sense something when I walk among these ancient landscapes. It's as though I've been brought back to another time. I can definitely feel the history here. What do you see, Joseph?
So you have petroglyphs all over the wall here. It's probably everywhere. I've been seeing it as we drive in. And a lot of times the petroglyphs fade away over time and you really don't even notice them until you get right up on them, like these guys right here. Pretty much everywhere you look, you can see stuff that has been pecked into the wall. And that's the difference between the pictographs we saw earlier, pictures that have been like painted or using pigment or whatever to make pictures on the wall. Then you have petroglyphs where they've been pecked or chipped into the wall. And I mean, you can just look right over there. See how there's stuff everywhere?
Yeah, we've got...
And it just fades away.
It's pretty high up there. You can see like a form of a human body. I've seen similar ones. All right, so now we're coming up to some of the pioneer remnants, registers, I guess is what they call it. And they're way up there on the wall.
September 1911.
Here we go. I'll zoom in here. September 1911. John Stewart, Quinby Stewart, Isaac Hayes, E. Hurst, Joss Alleran, and Sam Gifford, it looks like. Tell you what, you get into this gorge, into the shaded areas, and the temperature drops quite dramatically. It gets quite chilly in here. Whew, glad I have my puffy on. I'm gonna have to research this and see if this is all legit, but it says some of this stuff is really old. 1912. 1888, 1911. After 2 amazing hikes, it was time to head back to camp to settle in for the night. We're back here at camp after a lovely day of hiking. I've worked up quite an appetite. We really haven't eaten anything today. We've only had snacks all day. So we're gonna grill up some burgers and some corn on the cob. The previous camper left us some coals. We didn't have any. And there's a grill built in here at the campsite. So we decided to go ahead and grill our burgers as opposed to frying in the pan. And I think that's gonna taste really good. So I'm gonna get that going real soon. I used a wadded up ball of aluminum foil to clean the grill, a fun little camp hack. I've become very accustomed to cooking outdoors and I really enjoy it. I feel like I've got my outdoor kitchen pretty dialed in at this point. And fun fact, I like being the only cook. I don't like anybody getting in my way. If you're a regular viewer of the channel, you know my hamburger flavoring hack, which is the Lipton onion soup mix hack. Just mix up some ground beef with the Lipton onion soup mix, and it gives the burgers an awesome flavor. What? Are you serious? Okay. All right, it's time to get these bad boys on here. I think we're looking good. Got a little extra fall leaves falling on here for extra flavor. Corn on the cob as well. I've said it before and I'll say it again, cheese makes everything better. Let that cheese melt a little and ready to feast. Some bottom buns here. Tastes good to me. No, I'm good.
Stick in there like a screwdriver. Just give it a little rock and slightly tap it. It'll split the wood. Don't really need it, but
I got it. We're just gonna sit here and enjoy the fire for the rest of the evening. I think I'm gonna call it a night here. It was an awesome day. We did 2 awesome hikes. I think the first one was probably my favorite in terms of scenery and obviously the awesome bridge. And then the second one was really cool because it had some narrow portions of the canyon. It was really beautiful as well. And I love the drive in there. And dinner was really, really good. I'm glad we found those coals, and Joey pointed it out, and we were able to barbecue it because it just gives it that extra little bit of flavor, which is really nice. It's a beautiful evening here. I'm so relaxed. So again, I think I'm going to say goodnight here. I'll see you all in the morning. Good night. Good morning. I'm just taking a beautiful, crisp fall morning stroll here along the Fremont River. There's a trail right from the campground to the river. It runs all the way through the park, the Fremont River. Well, folks, I think this looks like a great place to end this video. It happens to be Halloween, so happy Halloween. I've got my orange and black on to celebrate the day. What a beautiful place to spend Halloween Day. And it's been great in Utah so far. Capitol Reef is such a beautiful park. I'm so glad that I stopped here. I didn't plan on it originally, like I said, but things happened the way they should have. Found myself here and I don't regret it at all. I hope you enjoyed coming along. As always, I appreciate your support. I appreciate you watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. They have a new hype feature. You can also hype the video if you'd like to. And I thank you so much for joining me. I will see you all on the next adventure. See you soon, everybody. Bye-bye. There's one last thing we need to do here in Capitol Reef, and that is to stop at the Gifford House for a pie. Both of the folks in the store recommended the strawberry rhubarb, so that's what we got. I'm gonna just take a bite now and save the rest for later.